6,000 watts, 245 Newton meters. Mid-drive, Sur-Ron performance at a fraction of the price. Glyride put 200 miles on it. Here is what actually happened. What it can handle. Mid-drive torque earns 9.1. 245 Newton meters channeled through the chain drive delivers instant acceleration and superior climbing control versus hub motor rivals confirmed across Glyride and YouTube field testing. Trail versatility scores 8.4 with 17 and 14-inch knobby tires, full hydraulic suspension, and 3 power modes handling mud, sand, and loose gravel reliably. Charge time scores 4.8. 7 hours for a full cycle is the weakest result here. Tall rider fit scores 5.2 as the 26.5-inch seat height limits comfort for riders over 6'2". Daily performance. Range and battery earns 8.6. 60 miles from the 1,800 watt-hour 60-volt 30-amp-hour removable pack with a 40 to 80% charge achievable in 2.5 hours for quick turnaround. Braking and safety scores 8.9. Dual hydraulic disc brakes with a magnetic emergency power cut and NFC keycard anti-theft receive consistent praise from reviewers as genuinely motorcycle-grade safety hardware. Suspension comfort scores 7.8 with hydraulic front fork and combined hydraulic plus spring rear shock absorbing trail impacts well across tested terrain. Chain maintenance scores 5.6 as regular chain upkeep is required unlike sealed hub motor rivals. User experience. Value versus Sur-Ron earns 9.2. Glyride confirmed comparable mid-drive performance and torque delivery to bikes costing multiple times more, making the F18 the standout budget performance case in the 2026 electric dirt bike market. Beginner accessibility scores 8.3 with 3 selectable power modes starting at 17 miles per hour, allowing new riders to build confidence before unlocking full performance. Assembly ease scores 7.6, arriving 80% pre-assembled with a QR code video guide. Brand reliability scores 5.4, as real-world data beyond 200 miles of reviewer testing remains limited for a newer manufacturer. Who it's for. Trail and off-road enthusiasts earn 9.1. Mid-drive torque, full suspension, and motorcycle-style tires purpose-built for mud, climbs, and technical terrain rather than pavement cruising. Sur-Ron hunters score 9.0. Buyers wanting mid-drive performance and build quality at an accessible price have no better verified option in this class. Beginners transitioning from gas bikes score 8.2 with quiet operation, 3 speed modes, and reverse making the learning curve manageable. Riders needing street-legal use score 3.8. The F18 is off-road only and not street-legal in most U.S. states. Is it worth it? Performance to dollar value earns 9.2. 6,000-watt mid-drive, dual hydraulic brakes, and 60-mile range at this price is genuinely unmatched in the verified 2026 electric dirt bike market. Trail capability scores 8.4. Charge time and maintenance scores 4.8. Brand longevity scores 5.4. The CineTech overall score for the HAPPYRUN F18 is 8.0 out of 10, 4.0 stars. The most performance per dollar in electric dirt bikes right now. Go in knowing the 7-hour charge time and plan your ride days accordingly.